Autobiography. Hello there teacher and classmate. Below I will present the final video of Cycle 2 of English. My name is Daniela Mateus Aguilar. I am 22 years old. I was born on August 26th, 199 in Bogota. In my childhood, I studied at the Liceo Maranata School. I like to participate in activities, cultural and sport. In that school, I did elementary and high school. I graduated in 2016. An important event in my life was during my childhood science. My parents enjoyed my in a group of explored and thanks to that I traveled a lot and had many experiences where I learned about survival in natural. Another event important in my life was where when I got my first job, because that to this I learned a little more about responsibility, and this is a bit of my life appreciate the attention paid, attentive to comments. Happy day to all. Thanks.